Have you ever wondered what skill level you are in pen spinning? Do you want to truly know where you stand in the rankings of the pen spinning world? Fear not, for I have developed a system to check roughly what skill level you are. For this, I introduce to you Spindy's challenges. The link is in the description. Spindy's challenges are a list of challenges you can complete to gain special roles, each of which are a certain level. Each role is also separated into different categories for different types of spinning. As of now, there's power, tech, continuous, two-hand, multi-pen, finger cross, pencil, extras, and combo certifications. To be considered a true level 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, you really have to get one of these combo certification roles. Otherwise, you'll just be seen as a potential level 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Now moving on to the different levels. First we have level 1, Complete Beginner. If you're here, you probably know some tricks and probably have started making linkages and maybe even some basic combos. This is where everyone starts eventually. The roles to get into level 1 are the following. Next we have level 2. This is where you're still very much so a beginner, but just slightly better than level 1. This is basically the point where you're probably considered about average. You can make combos, linkages, and have probably played some tack-ons or copied things, but you're still nowhere near considered actually good. The roles to get here are the following. Next we have level 3. This is probably just slightly above average. Now you can make some decent combos, participate in collaboration videos, and are maybe even considered good among some people. The roles to get here are the following. Next we have level 4. This is where you enter the advanced room. This is where you're probably finally considered actually good at pen spinning. For most people, getting to level 4 is a large achievement. You can make pretty good combos, and have probably participated in tournaments and maybe even won a couple. The roles to get here are the following. Next we have level 5. This is where you enter the black room. This is where you're truly considered one of the best of your time. Reaching level 5 in Spindies probably puts you in the top 50 in the world at least, if not greater. You can crush most people with a simple freestyle, have probably won some tournaments, and even made a name for yourself for being good at pen spinning. Most people only dream of reaching this level. The roles to get here are the following. And finally, we have level 6, the pinnacle of skill, the best of the best. At least top 5 in the world, if not number 1. You have no rivals, there's almost no competition for you because you're just so good. Reaching this level takes insane time and dedication. Currently no one is level 6 in Spindies yet, but that will probably change soon. If you want to level up in the world of pen spinning and test your skills, then join the Spindies Discord server. This is where the challenges are hosted, and it's probably the most active pen spinning Discord server as of now. And like it or not, the pen spinning community mainly lives on Discord. The link will be in the description. Thanks for watching, see you next time.